If you're curious about electric stoves, you're in the right place. Let's explore how they work. Electric stoves are everywhere, but how do they actually work? It's simpler than you think. When you turn the knob, electricity flows through a coil. This coil, made from materials like nickel and chromium, heats up. The heat then transfers to your pots and pans. Easy, right? But here's the cool part. Many electric stoves have a smooth glass ceramic surface. Underneath, the coils are hidden, giving a sleek look to your kitchen. Plus, they're super easy to clean. Now, should you buy one? Well, that depends. Electric stoves are great for even heating. No more worrying about hot spots. They're also safer. No open flames means less risk of fire, but they can be a bit slow to heat up and cool down. If speed is your thing, this could be a downside. So, if you value safety and easy cleaning, an electric stove might just be your new best friend, but if you need quick heat, you might want to consider other options. There you have it, Electric Stoves Explained. Now the choice is yours. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.